Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Harman Kardon AVR-171 amplifier and you need to do a hard reset on it to the factory default settings. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the amplifier acting erratically, if it's not connecting to your Wi-Fi or it's not pairing with your devices, or if it's making strange sounds or just in any way not working the way it is supposed to, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, you will have to set it back up again because it will be reset to its out-of-the-box default settings. But if you want to do that, this is the second reason you might want to do it, is if you just want to, if you're buying a used one or if you're selling this or if you just want to, get it set back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do this. It's quite easy to do. First of all, we just need to make sure it is turned off. So if it's not off, you can just press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. That'll force it to turn off. And then we are going to find the surround mode, and press and hold this for several seconds. And after we hold it for maybe 5 seconds, it will come up and it will actually say reset on the screen. Once that reset shows up on the screen, we can let go of the button, but then we want to continue, just let it do its thing for about a minute as it does its full reset into its factory default settings.